Hi, this is Vijay. In this video, I am going to give my personal views on 5 different stocks which are going to make a great impact during the budget times in the forthcoming new year. And before going to those details about these 5 stocks, because these 5 stocks will give you highly potential, highly money-making opportunities in the equity segment. And before going to these details, I would like to say a few points about the Superfans option. It is a trading tips platform operated by Bull Street through WhatsApp. The Superfan option has a unique design because it is specially meant for the small investors and small traders, those who are having a capital of 10k. A sum of 10,000 rupees can be considered as the startup capital, in which we give low budget option trading tips and penny level option trading tips in stock option with entry price and target price and related updates through WhatsApp. The subscription to join Superfan option is 7,999 per month. There are three specialities in this Superfan option. The first highlight is the working capital is very low, 10k is enough. And second highlight is logically there won't be any loss at all, because whenever a person trades, he used to put a buy order, sell order and stop loss trigger order. When the stop loss get triggers, he used to say that the loss occurred. We are not going to adopt such kind of trade in which most of the people will meet loss only. People who are placing stop loss trigger order will meet loss only, because psychologically it will create an impact, because people will always watch the stop loss price only, not the target price, so they meet the loss. Here what we do is we do differently. Our style of trading is hit and run type trading and momentum trading, low priced trading, because when the working capital itself 10k means we are not asking you to put 1 lakh rupees or 2 lakh rupees or even 50k in the market. Thereby we minimize the risk by using small capital like 10k. So here the risk is minimized. And second one is we do only momentum trading. We are not going to trade in the market when market opens at 9:15 a.m. daily. So here the risk is minimized, and we used to trade at low priced option trading, low price, low premium. So here also the risk is very much minimized, and in which along with this we used to have a safe trading method. So this safe trading method is being employed in this Superfan option, so there won't be logically loss at all. So this is second highlight. And third highlight is when a person joins in the Superfans option as a subscriber, he is making amazing profit out of it. So because of that he used to renew the subscription month over month at the end of every month. So this is the greatest strength to us. This is third highlight. So I said the subscription is 7,999 per month. You can remit the subscription by the payment gateway to our WhatsApp number. So as join as well is possible because the Superfans option is meant for small traders, small investors with safe trading method. It gives amazing profit also. Now we go to the video. Whenever the month of December, people used to make a great sell-off, particularly FII. So people will be in a panic situation, and not only that, most of the prominent stocks will be available at a seasoned bargained rate. See, this month December is a sell-off month, and forthcoming month January New Year month is a unpredictable month. Anything may happen in the market. A major sell-off may occur, a major correction may occur, but next month, another month, February, is a budget month. So now itself you can concentrate budget oriented stocks, because in my sense, in my view, I can predict that in this union budget the government will announce the disinvestment and monetization of assets, monetization of companies, because last year itself they announced 23 they marked 23 companies, and I picked up 5 different companies, 5 different stocks. These 5 different stocks can be referred as budget stocks, budget oriented stocks. So if you are concentrating these 5 different stocks, you can track these 5 different stocks, and you can buy when these 5 stocks are in a dip, and buy and hold and stay invested for 2 months. You can offload with the profit nearing to the budget times. So these are the 5 different stocks. One is the IDBI Bank, and next one is the Bharat Petroleum Limited, next one is Shipping Corporation of India, and next one is the Bharat Earth Movers Limited, and next one is Indian Tourism Development Limited. So these are the 5 stocks I am concentrating. A lot of other stocks also be there, but I am concentrating only these 5 stocks. So you will be wonder at the time of budget, you can recollect, yes, those 5 stocks made a great profit. So don't miss this opportunity. Put these 5 stocks in your trading watch window. Watch regularly. Whenever these stocks go to dip, buy and stay invested for 2 months and monetize these 5 stocks at the time of budget. So again, I request you to join the Super Friends option. Super Friends option is giving a fabulous, amazing results. You can see the past highest performance below this video. Thank you very much. I am Vijay.